gathering.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Bienvenue. مرحبا.
Yokoso.
Welcome.
Benvenuti. Willkommen.欢迎.
Willkommen.
Bienvenidos.
Everyone on this earth is part of the great symphony of us. Each of us a unique instrument, playing harmony to one another. And even though we are all playing different parts, it's our unified heartbeat that connects us, reminding us that we are more alike than we are different. A rhapsody of rhythms that unites us and connects us through commonalities of the heart. Come, find your place in the great symphony of us.
Can you hear the sound of a world in motion? The wind through the trees, the tides of the ocean. Can you feel the beat of a million hearts? All in time, like the sun and moon and light. And in the tiny moments in between, I remember you are a part of me, and I am a part of you. Just like a symphony, different melodies live in harmony. So go ahead and sing your song. I'll be there to sing along. When we come together, it's a
When we are born, we come into this world a raw noise. Cradled in tenderness, we tune ourselves to the world around us.
Don't stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. 可以呼唤我到你的身边，je serai là avec toi. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, 说唱也说唱。
our voice and add it to the ensemble of our ancestors. Our family. Nuestra familia. Improvising. Music becomes play. Sometimes we find another, and our melodies blend. And suddenly, with the hum of our heartstrings, our world becomes a duet.
You're in my arms, and all the world is calm. The music playing for only two. So close together, and when I'm with you, so close to feeling alive. So close, and still so far.
Inevitably in life, the accompaniment drops out, and we experience great loss. We find that the melodies we cherish are gone, and for a moment, we are playing alone.
When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. And when she was happy, so was I. When she loved, recuérdame. When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together. and she loved me.
But we are never truly alone. Sing out so others can hear you. The music we make echoes back at us in chorus, in concert, in symphony. Together, our voices can illuminate the world. If we only listen closely for the sounds of each other. How miraculous that we exist on this planet at the same time. And yet, it's the human connection that unifies us.
A pulse, a beat, like gravity. The rhythm of our hearts is all around. A bond, a pledge, a common thread connects us in the unifying sound. Like the pounding of a drum, steady spinning around the sun. The beating of our hearts echoes straight up to the stars. For all the world to hear, it never fades. Steady, are you ready? Can you feel it? Here it comes. Come together as one. Like a wave across the ocean. Like a wind in the sky when your heart's wide open. Sound, it's an all that we are. Feel it in the beat, feel it in the beat of our hearts, beating of our hearts, one single moving sound.
the symphony of us. From all of us here at Epcot, we wish you a wonderful evening and a safe journey home. Thank you and good night.
A pulse, a beat, like gravity.